What's up guys, what's up, it's your boy XO, and in this video I'll be showing you guys a really simple and very effective forex scalping strategy that you can use to make a lot of cash trading in the forex market. Let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm trading with my mobile app. This is the TradingView Android version. So the strategy I want to show you guys is a very simple and very effective strategy. This video is going to be a very quick video, so watch to the end so you don't get destroyed and you don't get left behind. So alright guys, so the rules of this strategy is I will bring up my horizontal array on TradingView, and you can see this blue line. I put it at the top of these two candlestick bodies, at the close of their bodies. So alright, so as you can see, this is the horizontal array line, and at this point you can see that the price got to this level right here and it's retraced back down and it came back up to this point. So let me show you guys how I use my RSI in combination with price action. Alright, so the second tool, like I mentioned, is the RSI. So you plot this line just oh my god. So okay, sorry about that. So you want to plot it on the RSI. So this is the RSI. Let's plot it on the RSI. So just down here like this. Okay, so as you can see at this point, the RSI is divergent from the price. You can see this highs right here, and the RSI high right here. So you can see that the RSI and the price are not in the same confluence, are not converging, they are diverging at this point. If you notice at this area right here, please look at the arrow of my TradingView app, this point down here. You can see that the price made a double top, but the RSI diverged. So at this point I'm looking at the close of this candlestick. This is the close of the candlestick where the price diverged from. I'm so sorry guys, it's quite difficult using my phone to analyze. So at this point I'm making this video just to show you guys how to use your mobile phone to trade. So that doesn't mean that if you don't have a laptop you can trade. So at this point you can see that the close of this candlestick is where I'll enter in on this trade for a sell. So for a sell I will use a 1 ATR value or a 1.5. So now ask yourself, what is the ATR value of this green candlestick? 14. So 14 times 2 is 7. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So 14 times plus 7 is going to be 21 pip. So your stop is going to be a 21 pip stop on this trade. So for a 21 pip stop, just slightly above here, and you want to take a 1 to 1.5 guys. Remember, a 1 to 1.5 is your profit target. A 1.5 ATR for your stop and a 1.5 target for your take profit. So let's get that out of the way right now. So at this point I want to take a 1 to 1.5. so just guys, like I said, is a scalping strategy, a very effective scalping strategy. So at this point a 1 to 1.5 was a beautiful win, clearly a beautiful win guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because this is a very short video. I just want to make a short video showing you guys how to trade using price action and RSI indicator in your trading strategy. So guys, alright guys, so like I said, a quick recap: a divergence in price and a divergence in the RSI indicator. So you use the only two indicators you'll be needing is the RSI and the ATR. The ATR is for your stops and targets, and the RSI is to see the divergence from with price and the RSI actually and the indicator. So a 1 to 1.5 ATR targets, ATR stops, and a 1 to 1.5 profit target. Alright guys, like I said, this is a quick scalping trading strategy, so do not take this to the bank. This is a scalping strategy I use, so you can use this and you can also use this too. It's very effective. Like as you can see, a 1 to 1.5 was a win, a beautiful win guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. It helps the channel out a lot. And guys, there's this new thing I'm doing right now. I'm doing a one-on-one live coaching section. So if you want to trade with me live and you want me to give you a live coaching section with me one-on-one through a Zoom call live, I will show you how to trade guys live. Then click the link. The first link in the description is the link to my free not free actually guys, it's paid coaching section guys. So click the link and DM me on Instagram, then we can book a session together. It's that easy, it's that simple. I hope to see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.